So question 1, we want to evaluate the following or calculate the following. So anything in brackets needs to be done first. And so 6 plus 5 is in brackets, so that's 11. And then we can't do the multiplication yet because that's not in a bracket. And 4 divided by 2 is in a bracket. So that is going to be 2, 4 divided by 2. And then we're left with 11 times 2, giving us 22. 3 to the power 0, we should know is 1. So effectively what this is saying is just 10 times 1. So it's just 10. Now we're adding fractions. We need a common denominator. With 7 and 14, it should be clear that the common denominator is going to be 14. So in other words, the second of the two fractions doesn't need to change. For the first fraction, going from 7 to 14, we've multiplied the denominator by 2, so we'll multiply the numerator by 2. So that's 6 over 14. So altogether, that gives us 9 over 14. Once we have the same denominator, we can just add the numerators. For multiplying mixed numerals, we have to change them into improper fractions. So 4 times 3 is 12, add 1 is 13. So the first one is 13 over 4. 3 times 2 is 6, add 1 is 7. So that's 7 over 3. We don't have any cancelling that can go on here, so 13 times 7. Well, 10 times 7 is 70, and 3 times 7 is 21, so that's going to be 91 divided by 12. And now, since the question was a mixed number, we really ought to write the answer as a mixed number. So, well, let's think about 12. So, well, 6 times 12 is 72. So 7 times 12 would be 84. So it looks like we can get 12 in 7 times, and that's 84 and that's 91. So that's a remainder of 7. So we have 7 and 7/12.